So we're not here to lecture, but when was the last time you thought about your business's firewall?
We get lots of questions here in the ControlScan Compliance Support Center, and for good reason. Getting the firewall right is critical to your business's security and PCI compliance.
By the end of this video, you're going to know 3 things. What is a firewall, why you need one, and how to make sure that it's properly installed. So what is a firewall? A firewall is a physical piece of equipment that is used as a gateway. It receives all information coming from the internet into your business. Think of the firewall as your virtual bouncer, and you've instructed your bouncer to automatically reject certain communications as well as route others according to your personal rules. That's called configuration. And without the proper configuration, your firewall will not work properly to help protect your business from unwanted visitors.
Even if you have a single computer, you still need a PCI-compliant network firewall. Can you buy a firewall and install it yourself? Sure you can. But remember, the firewall has to be PCI compliant and configured with the rules that allow it to defend your business. Firewalls aren't just set it and forget it though. Your configurations need to be updated on a regular basis so that your firewall can continue to meet the changing threat environment.
So when purchasing a firewall, it's very important that you're working with an IT professional or your POS integrator. This way you can ensure that your firewall is properly installed as well as configured for PCI compliance. Of course, ControlScan can help you. Just ask us how.
Want to learn more about firewalls and the relationship to security and PCI compliance? Check out ControlScan's blog, PCIComplianceGuide.org.